This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals, Course E, and I'm on the lesson Build a Star Wars Game. Watch out for the Stormtroopers. Add 100 points when R2-D2 gets a Rebel pilot. Remove 100 when he gets a Stormtrooper. Get 200 points to pass the puzzle. You can use Monarch to make it easier. Alright, let's try this. So, we don't have any code here yet. So, add 100 points when R2-D2 gets a Rebel pilot. When gets a Rebel pilot. So on the event of R2-D2 getting a Rebel pilot, add 100. Alright. And remember, we can now use these arrow keys. The code's just hidden. All that stuff we already did. When he gets a Stormtrooper, remove 100. So remove 100 when Stormtrooper. Get 200 points to pass the level. Add when you get Monarch. Oh. Maybe I'll get a bonus. Let's try. Uh-oh. 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 That was not good. I don't think I can pass. How many points do I need to pass? Let's reset. No. I'm doing well. Oops. Oh! Yes! Woohoo! We did it! Let's keep going.